Hey there, here's a tip if you're actively looking for work and you want to know who's hiring right this minute. You want to know quickly, you don't want to go down the rabbit hole. So go to the search window on LinkedIn and write the words hiring now. And then what's going to happen? Firstly, you should know how to spell this. I highly recommend it. And once you do that, go to people. And this is going to bring up people who have the words hiring now in their headline. How cool is that? What I'd like to do is also do a permutation and combination. So you could do now hiring, for example, versus hiring now. And here's the beauty of it. You check it out and see who are your first and second degree connections who are hiring now. So, you have an in with them. Also check out their location, and if you want to get really sophisticated, you can also see, what are the titles of those positions, what industry, etc. But that helps to narrow it down. It may not necessarily give you fabulous results, but I really think it's worth the effort. Another permutation which I find interesting is hashtag hiring now, and you're going to see under people who are the people who have this hashtag in their headline versus also now. You know what I'm going to write, right? Now hiring, provided you know how to spell. That would really be helpful. And so what I am finding is people who are doing this are looking for people, and they don't necessarily want to wait, and they want to highlight it in their profile itself. So yeah, I hope this helps. Hiring now hiring, check it out. The only downside I think with this technique is that it might bring up people who are not necessarily hiring but have the word hiring in their headline. But I still think it's worth trying this out. All the best. See you next time. Bye for now.